Hello children, welcome to St. Joseph's Academy video learning classes. This video is for class 2, subject English 2, Mulberry, topic The Ugly Duckling Part 2. Lesson number 10. Children, today we will do question answer in this video. I, Ritu Bishramola, your English teacher, hope you all are good and safe at your home. Children, in our last video class, we read the story of Ugly Duckling, a duckling who is not beautiful. The farm animals behaved very rudely with the ugly duckling. They teased him and laughed at him. And at last, all were surprised, and even the duckling also, because he had some qualities. He was a swan. He turned into a swan, then all liked him. So by this story, we learned that each one of us is special and beautiful. So children, let's do the question based on the story. So children, let's start with the making connections. Quick answers. Fill in the story map given below. See children, see the first box. Here is written setting. Where did the story happen? And the story happened on the banks of a lake. Now see the second box just below the first box. Problem. What was wrong in the story? So children, problem was no one wanted to make friends with the ugly duckling, because he looked different from others. That's why nobody wanted to make him friends. So children, next see the next third number box, character. Who was in the story? In this story, how many characters was? Who was the star of the story? And was the star of the story? The children, characters were duckling, farm animals, and the star of the story is the ugly duckling, who converted at the last, who turned into a beautiful white swan. So the star of the story is the ugly duckling. See the fourth box, solution. How were things made right in the end? So children, the ugly duckling finally grew up to be a beautiful white swan. So children, let's do the reference to context. Here is given one line. Read the line and try to give the answer. And the line is, the next day, Mother Duck took all her little ducklings to the lake. So the first question is, how many ducklings were there? So children, there were 10 ducklings. In the nest there were 10 eggs, so there were 10 ducklings. See the B question. How old were the ducklings? So children, the ducklings were 1 day old. See the C part. What did the ducklings do in the lake? So children, the ducklings swam in the lake beside their mother. So children, let's do the third. But as he got closer, here he means the ugly duckling. He felt shy and scared. What if they do laugh at him? Because all the animals teased the ugly duckling, so he started to think, what if they too laughed at him? So he bent his head low. So children, our first question is, who was shy and scared? Children, the ugly duckling was shy and scared. Because all the animals, farm animals, teased him and he was alone. So the ugly duckling was shy and scared. See the B part. Why was he shy and scared? The duckling was shy and scared because he was worried that the swan might laugh at him like the other animals. See the third question. What did he do? What did the ugly duckling do when he felt shy and scared? He bent his head low and looked at his reflection in the water. He was feeling shy and scared, so he bent his head low and looked at his reflection in the water. So children, let's do the question number 4. Children, how long did the duckling stay by himself? When the ugly duckling was scrapped from the farmyard, so how long did the duckling stay by himself? So children, the answer is, the ugly duckling stayed by himself through summer and autumn. See the question number 5. How did the duckling feel when he saw his reflection at the end of the story? So children, when the swan invited the ugly duckling to join them, then how did the duckling feel when he saw his reflection at the end of the story? So your answer must be, the ugly duckling was surprised and happy to see that he had turned into a beautiful swan. Now children, see the question number 6. Children, if you met the 9 little ducklings, what would you say to them? So your answer must be, I would tell the 9 little ducklings to be friendly with everyone. Now children, see the question number 7. Duck, swan, frog and fish are some of the animals that live in a pond. Think about a few other animals that live in or near a pond. So children, I am writing here the name of herons, kingfishers, otters, etc. Children, I hope these questions now clear to you. Now the homework is, write neatly all the questions in your English copy and learn it. We'll do the exercise part in our next video class. Till then, bye-bye.